In this video for chapter 6, social responsibilities of business and business ethics, today we will be discussing about the business environment and its protection and about business ethics. Now, what do we mean by environment? Okay, so environment, we can say it is the surrounding or the totality of man's surrounding, both natural and man-made. Okay, so environment can be defined as totality of man's surrounding, both natural and man-made, and the protection of that environment is a very important issue for the government, the business managers, owners, and all the stakeholders in the society. Now, another term is pollution. Now, what do we mean by pollution? The pollution refers to the release of harmful substances into the environment, which is largely the result of industrial production. Here we are discussing the relation of business and environmental protection. Okay, so pollution is mainly caused. The main contributor is business, because business activities are done on a larger scale. It is done everywhere. Okay, so we can say pollution is the release of harmful substances into the environment, in fact largely the result of industrial production. Okay, now see, industries release harmful material in a large quantity which cannot be observed by the environment or which cannot be repaired by the environment, whereas in other activities, normal people household activities, whatever harmful things are released, it is not causing that much pollution, okay, or harm to the environment. But the industrial activities are doing it are done on a larger scale, so it causes more loss or more harm. So since some waste is inevitable in the use of material and energy, it cannot be avoided, and without them the manufacturing process cannot be taken ahead. So the manufacturer or the businessman face a great challenge in minimizing the adverse impact of this waste by using proper technologies. And the protection of the environment is good for all of us, for our long-term survival and for a healthy survival also. Now, pollution refers to the change of the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of air, land and water, and it harms the human life as well as the other species. Other species are being harmed more, like Gangetic dolphins are there. If the water is too much polluted in the river Ganga, then it will be very difficult for these dolphins to survive for a longer period. In the same manner, there are many species which are getting extinct because of the pollution things. It is coming into their life cycle and their reproduction is affected and all. Causes of pollution are, since all the sectors are contributing to it, okay, like mining, industry, government, agriculture, construction, consumers generate, all of them are generating waste. But mainly the business activities such as production, distribution, transport, storage, consumption of goods and services are the main contributor of the environmental pollution problem, because these business activities are done regularly and on a very large scale. Okay, now the types of water pollution. First is air pollution. When the harmful gases are released into the environment, they are polluting the air. Lot of suspended particles are there, and which is causing lot of respiratory diseases, as well as the other species are also affected. Nowadays you won't see many types of birds and animals near the industrial towns and all. Water pollution, when the water is used in the industrial process, many harmful chemicals or waste is mixed with it and it is released into the rivers or canals. Okay, then land pollution, industries are dumping their waste material. Okay, so the land is not fit for use, it is not able to degrade that also, So the land becomes no, it is not fit for agriculture or any other purpose. Noise pollution is also creating lot of problems. The factories create lot of noise pollution. Their machines and the transportations are creating a lot of noise pollution. Why we need pollution control? So that health is maintained, safety is there of all human beings and animals. It results in lot of economic losses. Remove these wasteful hazards from the earth and rivers and air is very expensive. It results in lot of losses, lot of diseases are there, and at the end it results in economic losses. People are not able to work properly and ensure a healthy life. And when the industries are undertaking pollution control, their image is improved, and if we are not releasing the harmful chemicals, the earth beauty is maintained. Role of business in environment protection. Okay, the business have to use environmental friendly methods of production. It should be able to recycle the industrial waste and participate in activities like plantation and cleaning river, and abide by the bylaws of the government, and spread awareness among common people to reduce the pollution and all. Business ethics. Business ethics refers to the moral values or standards which govern the activities of the business. It defines what is right and what is wrong. It is not mandatory. Okay, business ethics are not mandatory like abiding the law of the land, but if the business is following, its moral standards are higher. Some examples of business ethics are charging fair prices from customers, using fair weights for measurements of commodities, giving fair treatment to the workers, and earning reasonable profits. These are few examples of business ethics. It is not mandatory. Okay. Elements of business ethics. The management should give their proper commitment. Top management. They should issue one code of conduct also. Establishment of compilation mechanism. Expectations and the result should be compared, and proper control measures should be taken to achieve the desired results. Involving employees at all level. Without the involvement of employees, the business ethics code of conduct cannot be implemented. Okay, and measuring the results. If it is deviating, then also some control measures should be there that the desired results are achieved.